The ViVO X200 series is nearly a week away from its official launch, with fresh leaks now hinting at a more competitive pricing range than expected. According to digital chat station DCS on Weibo, the X200, X200 Pro, and X200 Pro Mini may launch with prices starting around 4,000 yuan $570, down from earlier predictions. This potential price drop comes as executives have reportedly been persuaded to adjust prices, which could make a big difference when one considers global consumer demand. While details are still vague, these prices would put the X200 series in direct competition with Oppo's Find X8, which is also expected to launch soon. Earlier reports shed light on ViVO's camera technology, particularly the Zeiss optics and IMX882 sensor, likely giving it an edge in telephoto capabilities. The device's ultra-narrow bezels were also showcased via a recent official teaser image. The combination of solid hardware and attractive pricing could give ViVO a strong foothold in the market with this launch, especially in regions where premium pricing has become a barrier. The X200 is expected to sport the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. DCS also hinted that the higher-end model, likely the X200 Ultra, could start at around 5,500 yuan, 707, pushing the price bracket further. Despite these cost challenges, this pricing strategy is a clear indicator that ViVO is looking to rival its sister brand Oppo, which also seems to balance high-end features with competitive pricing in the upcoming Find X8. More info regarding the ViVO X200 series will be available on October 14th when the device is officially unveiled.